everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Well, alrighty, she's stuck in the tree. What did you do to her?
I don't know.
keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
We got Subway and lost our ride. Marco!
Marco! Look how cute those cups are. Marco!
Okay, go around, go around.
Marco! Marco!
Hey, look, there's our polo! What did I get you?
Clothes.
And why do you think this logic?
Because we use clothes.
What was my exact wording?
You use.
It's practical.
You use clothes. Mommy.
Have you cracked the puzzle?
No.
No?
Literally the quickest trip ever. Trash bags, 2 things of Sunny D, a Coke, and then I had 2 of these, but Finley already drank hers.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday.
It didn't last very long.
What?
You guys are gonna judge me. I have never made bacon in my life. All I know is it starts in a cold pan.
With you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
I'm gonna put some in the air fryer too. If you put it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, I guess it'll cook it. I don't know. Like I said, never made bacon before, so we are seeing. So just made some eggs and some bacon. This, the crispier looking stuff, that's from the air fryer, and the other stuff is from the stove. What do we think, kids?
Good. Both of them are good.
Bacons or the eggs too?
Both. Both.
Okay.
1200% eating.
All of this is leaving my house for good. Thank goodness.
Goodbye, 3 bikes.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Whoa, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
Some honey sriracha chicken sandwiches. I'll link how I make them above. Hey Xander, how do you spell Christmas?
When I spelled it,
How do you spell Christmas, Xander?
CRITMIC.
Christmas!
I'm taking a video of him.
It's Christmas!
Hi.
Are you celebrating Christmas? Her chest is growing hair.
Like you love, we'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
I know it's not Christmas Eve, but the kids really want one of their gifts from me. I keep telling them they're not going to like it, but I'm going to give it to them. I didn't wrap it or anything. Literally, I'm so unprepared this year. I mean, I'm very prepared because like I had everything wrapped like 2 weeks ago, and all that kind of stuff, but I didn't wrap certain things, and like I still got to wrap my sister's gift. But I'm going to give it to them. I don't know why you're so excited. This is Xander's. What is it? Under Armour. This one is Sissy's. You and Ariel match now. Do you like them?
Yeah. Something
So now you have 2 pullover hoodies. 3? Not 1.
Look, Mom. I had 3, but I lost my blue one. So now I have 2.
Well, see, I got you a new one. And Bob, that's your first pullover because you haven't had a pullover.
I never had.
Look at you.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,